Good afternoon, country people dem. Tori for this side for Equinox Story House. We go turn back for Fireway Pass for inside Bedi and Tremalam. Douala 5, family house, Ibon all. Family people they no get place for shidon overnight. Sote now, no man in no sabi wetin wey e cause that fire. Inside Tori too, we go talk palava for Watam. Wey some quarter people dem for inside place wey dey call am say Mutengene. They get for waka climb hill sote before they go find water for drink. Sabi to say big man for Cameroon Renaissance movement wey dey call am CRM Oga Maurice Kamto. E don knack am for table. E talk say people dey wey dey so thief other one dem for that side for northwest and southwest. That one e no go help say make solution. E come back for inside problem wey we get am for country. All this story dem so we go talk am for now plus one dem wey newspaper dem talk. Make una no shake for sika say big part talk say for this afternoon. E dey try for tell we say wetin say person wey e dey dig ground beef e must to prepare for run. I say person wey e dey dig ground beef e must to prepare for run. Na oga Job Desire for that side so for Limbe. Na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people dem. Plenty glad for meet up una again. Chapter 2 for Tori for Equinox Story House. Tori for this afternoon. Make we take una go for side wey dey call am say Tremalam Bedi. This Ngondere one at the sea and so. E no be dey for house. Yes. This Ngondere e no be dey for house. Time wey fire burn for a place, all thing do e. E come, e look place, surprise. One time, next thing wey they wan see na for down wey don fall. Yes, na fire wey e burn a whole house for that side so for Tremalam for inside Bedi so country people dem. So tey now, population comot for try for check for see as wey dey fit lost the fire. But that fire e no be even left themselves. One day wey dey be dey for corner, dey comot cargo dem wey dey be dey for corner. Power wey get houses e try for tell we say e be dey na for inside a place wey e dey wash na wey pikin can tell e say fire e dey catch one time bucket and neighbor dem na wey e hala then dey lost am before even army rescue people dem dey enter for day. As well dey talk no person e never sabi wetin wey e pass before this fire e start catch for that side so for inside the family house. E mean say wetin 4 room e burn, we get kitchen too e burn, we get even waiting toilet all thing e burn. Na woman that surprise e don do all thing. I say surprise. See assistant e turn up e surprise. The holy they say mami come small. After wetin happen na for down e don fall. Buash. Yes, na for down. E no be fit for city wey e see and so what e eye 11 so. Time wey comot for house the house be dey fine. Time wey comot for house e dey fine. But according to Tori 2 here, so for inside Bedi yesterday, number 2 house e burn for evening time. But no na for the same quarter. No na for Tremalam. Number 2 house e burn for that side for Bedi. No man no sabi wetin wey happen. So yesterday e be dey na big day for fire for inside Bedi. Make we hear one for the neighbor wey that fire e for small so e for enter for a house. E tell we to how wey the fire pass.
The fire be for level way will be the fear say go take for this side of my house, but neighbor them people the boys of Katie. So luckily say this sun the be fair they will work with them. So with the sun they be help see me they try for make the fire may not take for the Masai. So the fire be over strong, but with the help for boys of Katie. They try so they may not take this small play in a plan because they be over fear. But for the big house, no way no be able to fix it because the fire be over strong. So we thank God say they so never take this small plan house and we will succeed move out in the say because we know say fire will take my own side or will be no so but now God makes me not take the sabbath. We remove all things.
Yes, now one person that will be being a neighbor, it be the neighbor just for corner own house to be before corner the house we born and he own be they say na calabot. Just see if fire for just enter so for inside that calabot for be saying a different territory for the year. If for being a more than 4 room them where they born for inside fire way pass for them. Now so make we talk this chapter for northways and southways. Now the aeroplane that way it turn back from Kumba where bring people them where it is so they don't do it in they thief them for that side of for Kumba. We get Tunisian countryman and 2 of the country people them. Sabi say D1 now after we Kamamburu people them for inside country they make gun shoot and so they last they say one Tunisian man is sleep straight then other one them where you see and so now where they try for bring it back. Minister for inside defense Betty Asomo he talk for that man say Asham we country in no bad now the same talk to your guy Issa Turuma and Governor Togman talk then Tunisian man say a holy old brother a glad plenty say last a brother he don't turn back so it be then a big small glad for inside this chapter sabi say na one person one Tunisian countryman they kill him as well they be the fight with that boy them for that side for Kumba sabi say these people them they be the walk na road for that side so where they call them say a condo titi con the people them before they thief them and inside this chapter plenty people them they don't talk say for true Cameroon Kamamburu he get power but they ask Oga Ngomna them why so now they never show face for the other people the way they bring them for Nigeria. Now the big question that way people that they ask them they want them where they thief them where they don't fight so they bring them they don't show them all people they don't see say for true they be free people them who side the other people then to where they cash away population this also talk say una show we where they know the show am big question but sabi say now so all thing it don't turn out fine after we Kamamburu people them they win fight for that side so for Kumba. Now chapter that now 3 people them where they be come out for inside that fight where they no give them any wound. Now so make we enter for palava for suffer for inside Cameroon. Yes, when I see that he know now he this way 4 people them for inside Mutengene side they decline. When I say the boy decline no he come out far away. He climb the hill, I say he go now for on top Mount Cameroon, Efasamoto. Then after he go down the hill, then who side they go carry water for some down place so they una no fit see am. Ambassador they see the place. You understand? See now the place that now they see am. So that people there suffer for water. Water they come up but e no dey for all quarter. So all man he must to carry a gallon like the young girl. Carry gallon for go carry water. All then now with the truck. You see truck no? Now truck for water that. And the boy then they can now plenty. Then after they go push that truck again, push her, climb on top that hill. You understand? So plenty then don't suffer. They suffer for water. So I did talk for Oga DO for that side for Tiko. Now na so Mutenge na you the so look at. The people there, they come up far away, they decline here. Climb like say they decline the mountain race. Only for Sika say they go carry water. Someone they put an inside truck. Water, they say water na njoti. But when you see as well people they suffer for drink water for inside Douala or for inside even Mutengene. Sabi say normal na big problem. Water na problem for some place and for inside Fako division. But yourself na trouble. People them for Bukwango now so Sabi say they go carry water na for Boyata. For Sika say water no day. Water na big trouble. And before you see the water safe, you must to turn up for line. Like did my brother there. They don't turn up. They will a place dry. All man go carry go. But they will place a flop. You must to turn up with. You turn up so they all man a carry. You carry. Now only so. Make we hear the brother they say they talk their own trouble where they get them for that side for Sika water.
Every day na so the only carry am. So we don't know which account you go ever be fine for say no this chair. Because normally we need to get water for our neighborhood house. So the only thing I be taught every day with the only stress guy need see am. We only put your truck climb the me one I suffer climb the so we check say me our government try look for we too for this side. At least me picking all get shock with on slides and slide for say they go down. So some of them seven they even live now for here, don't carry some of them go can't hospital. So we don't know uje for say at least if you arrange if the yourself we move if you be fine. With the 5 years very badly population from there sometimes the cover here say about 100 people in this time only 5 agreement. We nearly want injure accept them.
He would come down let the nurse only blister them, see how we go get blister them because of this we chop them.
Yes, so na small pikin dem that sef dey tell we hand e don comot boil for hand plenty carry water dey climb on top here. So na suffer that way dey suffer for palava for water, palava for development for inside village dem. Make we turn back for inside this one we will be take am for side for go for Esuata village con the people dem na for Lebialem we dey talk am. Before that one, yes, make we talk this palava suffer for these people dem wey dem sef dey hear bad con the people dem. These people dem na people dem for Nemejo and Nemeyong na for inside Lomie subdivision. Yes, na village for Lomie na for Sawe. These people dem Papa God he don bless them plenty with his stick dem, all kind of stick dem country people dem. But as so we dey talk for here country they dey hear bad na Bantu pygmy people dem and even Baka pygmy. See how they dey so she done. Even as wey Papa God don give them blessing, the man wey dey look other bush. E dey tell we say some people they can't thief their stick dem. Then when they thief the stick dem go, they dey wait say something go happen, thing go change for inside their village dem. Nothing. I say no nothing, you know the change. People they only can cut stick go, cut stick go, cut stick go. They only empty their bush dem, empty their bush. See as wey they should done. Poor people dem wey normal they be get for being rich people dem. Inside bush sef will enter. E show we say they get correcting them. See stick. This stick they own myself, so when they carry and go sell am for outside na plenty money, but the money no dey turn back. The money e no dey turn back at all. Na wey the people dey vex. This stick one na the sense wey they call am na Moabi. This stick so they say that stick na thing wey they take am for their big powder wey they don die, and that stick na medicine for them. That stick e dey give them oil. That stick e dey give them chop. The thing wey they call the fruit wey that thing dey comot am when they chop am. You no need for chop again. So they talk say day when they go cut that stick, e mean say they go kill all man for inside that village before they cut that stick wey that party show and so. Na their own power stick that. And the population dey vex plenty. I say na for Nomejo and Nemeyong. You understand? This stick so the Moabi, they say if you want sell am for outside, one so na 30,000. Then the whole stick, if you want sell am that one they put am so for that na 1 million. But the money dey go, e no dey enter. See how the population dey shit down. Na normal na people there they get for get money. They get for get chop, they get for get better house, but all the things so they come up for their town. No nothing, no the change for inside their town. I say no nothing, you know the change inside their town. Mami they just don't they look place. Even water sef for come up for tap for drink, water no day, con the people. Yes, they get all fine thing wey Papa God don't bless them, but she don't they so beg. Water no day, house sef e no day. See how they she done. House e no day. Poor e dey do them. They, if you want call poor, they get poverty. All thing e dey show them. Na school this for Nomejo wey e no dey them at all. Teacher the way they send them for day, they dey squally. They dey run enter Sosongo. They dey even make like say they wan make mass for sika say money no dey enter for their hand. All their stick them, they dey comot am. Road dust. They need even put quota on top the road sef. They sabi na only for can thief stick them comot gota. Thief stick comot gota. So we dey talk now for Oga Minister wey dey concern for this chapter. Say make you open your eye. Make you go help that people dem. Make they know the thief their stick them. They know nothing, know the change for inside village. If they give money, deny. If they hear no Oga Minister, they give money, deny. Make we take una enter for different chapter. We take una now also talk this chapter for road for Lebialem. Na dem too dey suffer. Na road that. Rainy season don come. For waka go for Esuata for inside Fontaine subdivision trouble. First you must to suffer pass na for Cham for Consort. Then na only Okada e dey waka for the road. Motor wey try for waka for that road wey rain don fall, e mean say go kenekene for down. Yes, the motor go kenekene for down. And people that dey enter for motor they must to look out. All side the way motor no dey fit for climb. The place say he wey dey. If you want waka quick like aeroplane, the best aeroplane if you take and go for Esuata na Okada. Yes, na the best aeroplane that one dey fly so take the jump all thing. The people they no get road. Road e no dey for enter for Esuata. and you dey for top motor, you must to dance. Motor dey bounce. Wahala, you see that put there no? Na only for inside hold them. Chop wey dey the maker, e no fit go for town. How you go manage go for town? Wey road e don work all pass. How chop go manage reach for town? Wey no dey. And this place Lebi Alem for Esuata as well at the top. Na consult dey pass. Consult for charm wey dey take am before they enter for inside Esuata. Shame. Oga Paul Tasson, Esuata na village for under Lebi Alem. Well, you be the first Lebi Alem minister. Now for palava for she don quiet, we sabi say you be minister for all Cameroon. But the one they so. Na road wey dey go for Esuata and na consult. No na even straight road. Na big problem that. Big problem for the people them. That one na part 1. Na part 1 that. Part 2, make we see Esuata Sesep. Yes, Esuata Sesep na village. E dey na for inside hole. Na that. You dey see the village? Where you enter for day wey no light chop wey dey give you. Forget. Na so tey wey climb here again comot before you find chop for inside place like the one. Na the town this. Then because the place e dey like say you don climb na Mount Cameroon, you must get power for climb here, go down here, climb here, go down here. And when they tell say they wan take you pass consult for go back for their own town, sabi say na long road. You see that thing? Hospital, no nothing, no dey. People there dey send am for day for work. Dem say sep, wey no dey. Hospital thing dem, e no dey. Light, e no dey. But you see people dem for light and for outside. Na just the social problem and that. Wey the people dem for Esuata dey get. And they were working for them as say wetin. For the 21st century, Esuata where you enter for that hole, you no fit make tingni call. Tingni no dey. So all your tingni call the client can for this side. Where you enter for that hole I show you so. Tingni no dey pass. So all that thing they so. Now the thing that where the people that they talk say me they try for change. You go see people for electricity dey pass, rope dey pass, but light no dey. Light no dey. Now only for some side wey light dey. They like say some other side they forget them. So all that small problem they so. No na one will get forget them for 21st century Cameroon. E don big. Cameroon na big country. Nkunkuma don talk say 2035 we must go for before. So any man wey wan try for stop that Nkunkuma a plan, don't forget. They never born. They never born. The big man, chief for inside Esuata, Fon Foreke Asontia, e be talk for Chief Robert Mukube microphone na palava for chief them. They are big problem. Make you fair here.
Not either for Minji, it come for Esuata, which can be passing out through the year. The road will get them. It pass for some time, and at some time again we see we don't answer for we not be for use that road for worker. For come up for Chantu, sometimes we get a lot of problems too. For make sure say what people should communicate easily. Even for send out our produce for other market them. Sometimes we not to be. Our own cocoa season here now for rainy season. So that one make things very difficult for farmers to transport their produce. And because of that too, many people they come, medium people they pass for here, they buy for very low prices. Where at time the farmer no even feed again for buy the medicine and for fix the farm.
Yes, there are big problem na road, but on top that palava for road, Fon Foreke Asontia, in a Chief Rebel Mukube, the next order tori, we now another problem with Esuata people that hear bad. Una tell we.
For light, because light not there for our place, even now light not there here now. Now one of the main problem that some of the problem that we face and for the center too where the create time sometimes it might be effective. So if that thing will be effective, if we get all season road and if you make sure the electricity is function fine, then my people will continue to be very happy too. Also get the problem for light because light not there.
Yes, country people them, we left chapter for Esuata village, we enter for another chapter. Oga Maurice Kamto, sabi say na be Oga Patapata for Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Yes, this palava for Northwest and Southwest, ABB for strong number, as well Oga Maurice Kamto, he talk for inside that side for Yawinde for chapter for this palava. Palava where they don't thief DO. palava wey dem don thief even Professor Ivo Leke Tambo, even as say don be na Freeman boy. Oga Maurice Kamto, he talk say that one e no fine at all. Say no be na that one e go make peace e turn back for the country. He say no, he say that one e knack hand for table. E no like am at all. Na the talk that Oga Maurice Kamto na the see so he talk. He be the talk with Tori people there yesterday for Yawende. He say the palava dey dey also thief people dem thief the one for this side, thief the one for this side, thief the one for this side. That one e no go help country at all. Then he say people dem throw the dream. Yes, that one na dream for them. He say people dey the dream say they go divide Cameroon. Say no, e no go be fine. He say but na say wetin? Say anglophone, francophone, they go join hands say make Cameroon eternal fine. Then this palava two way dey happen for northwest and southwest wey don turn be other kind. Oga Maurice Kamto talk say nkunkuma na e wey go holy. Yes, if they ask say go hold who, he say na nkunkuma e go hold am. He say for sake say if nkunkuma for don do the thing since, if for don she don talk true talk with the people there, thing they not for be so, but so now thing they so be na for the same level. So Oga Maurice Kamto he don talk say if Cameroon get for turn up straight now so now for say make all people there they be concerned, they should don for one place talk true talk. No be na ambassador talk, na Maurice Kamto talk. Make we enter now so for inside school chapter. Yes, inside school palava. Sabi say technical school pikin dem dey dey ever talk say first time when pikin e go for technical school they go talk say no na door pikin dem that. Yes, first time they go talk say na door pikin dem dey go technical school, but they no sabi say that technical school na the place where you fit go learn some your handwork, you comot you do am. Na in that na the handwork dem that way school pikin dem for technical school for loom side. As we be there na open door day, e mean say na day wey they don open their door mob dem say make other stranger dey enter city wey dey fit do am. So Oga D Osese for loom e be dey e take e eye e see wetin wey the wish people dem small pikin dey do am. Yes, Oga D o use e own eye kro eye e see the kind work wey pikin dey fit do am. That one na handwork. First time when mami wan send pikin for school, e go talk say oh technical school you overdraw plenty, I go send you for technical school. Who say technical school na place where they instead give am money, so the pikin dem be dey show we all the kind thing dem. Na slippers wey dey make am, na bed wey dey make am, or na wetin dem no sabi for make am wey dey teach dem. Even block dem don already sabi for teach dem how for make block. So e be dey na big day wey dey open their door for school for show people dem say even as wey dey dey technical school make no man no check say they be door people dem. For sika say dem dey get their own handwork wey when they comot for school they fit do am. See chair na thing that way pikin dey do am, wey e be dey na dey for do wetin dey for open their door for show say they sabi for do work for their hand. So mami the way they dey so check say they go send pikin wey door for technical school, una dey do that pikin fine thing for sika say the pikin go learn im handwork wey when he comot school, when school finish he go sit down concentrate whether na bed he go dey make am or na slippers or na wetin he go sabi for do am. So make una no fear, technical school or normal school, all dem na school for better people their life, make their life e go na only for before. Tori e finish for image, video image e don finish. Make we talk now wetin wey newspaper dey talk this afternoon. Horizon na the first newspaper that way we go talk am. Horizon wey dey for outside e talk say even as wey Oga Frundi Nijon e dey for ground, e eye e dey look different place. According to wetin wey Horizon e dey talk, e say Nijon e eye e dey na for she don for chair like Oga kpatakpata for Senate. Yes, and the one na for make open eye for anglophone people dem. Say one day wey dem dey talk say they wan divide country, make they see am say they wan be na president for waiting for Senate people dem. So for inside the Horizon you go read tori wey concern palava people dem wey dey left dem wey dey be don thief dem for that side. So for Lebialem as well they don so for talk for people dem wetin e pass and how the thing e happen. Joseph Lesese wey just sit down for chair like a big man for inside public administrative reform, he sef dey for inside the Horizon wey dey for the morning, e dey for outside wey dey dey talk say wetin e dey try for make peace with Enam. Sabi say the former big man for administrative reform e be get some small pungu with big man for Enam. So Joseph Lay e don try for the make peace for that side. So for inside Horizon you fit read small tori dem wey e concern Popo Iwaka for outside. outside and other small thing them. The guardian post too e dey for outside for top number. Yes, on top for the guardian post you dey see something wey dey talk say do wey dey call am say chef tell. That man no when you enter for inside the guardian post you go sabi the side wey comot. They say dey so that do small so they go drive it for house wey e dey shidon for sika wetin e no dey pay landlord e money e dey over plenty so landlord dey plan for drive it make e comot for e house. Na so the guardian post talk. So for inside the guardian post you go read tori wey concern palava new fight wey e happen for meme division. They say Kamamburu people dey kill 4 bad boy dem as wey dey left 3 for people there wey dey be don thief dem. So for inside the guardian post they dey ask na question true they be pay money on top Professor Ivo Leketambo head before they left here or they no be pay money. The guardian post get a small answer. Sarkozy name too e dey for the guardian post. Atanganji too e name e dey. They dey ask na question. If e be get from heart for go for Batibo, e go get that from heart for go for Trump place and for inside Southwest. When he waka for the question ask, no ask me. Now the guardian post e get that tori. Nouvelle Expression today for outside country people them. Inside Nouvelle Expression, palava people the way they make mago with ngomna money. Nouvelle Expression e talk tori wey concern Atanganakuna. E talk all thing for head so they reach for toe. All thing about Atanganakuna. Nouvelle Expression e get that tori for inside country people them. They talk all things. Sabi say this man e don't make Cameroon people their eye they don't shine. They no sabi as wey the man a thief comot for country wey they don talk say make you no travel but the man so thief e make nyati so tey the one here dey na for Canada. They go fit cash again nothing. Other tori dey dey for inside Nouvelle Expression wey e concern palava nkunkuma and iwaka for that side so wey dey call am say hiho. Emergence too e dey for outside. Strong number for emergence. Palava people the way they dey make magu with country money 12 years now. Wey this palava e dey happen say Sparrow Hawk wey dey catch people there they don thief ngomna money. They say 12 years now no nothing know the show. Yes, emergence also no nothing know the show. Then they dey ask na question Atanganji e fit trust fund them for Norwest. The question dey come after wey Oga Atanganji e waka go Norwest e talk say peace and he talk say make na fund them they carry that peace go for their different place. So Oga Atanganji they dey ask na question he go so trust fund them. Big question. Emergence e get other small to read them. Now for look with una eye una see wetin wey e dey pass. Mutation too e dey for outside this morning time country people them. Mutation e dey for outside. Throw number for mutation. Palava thief for inside country and palava Atanganakuna. Mutation tori people them. They go for Atanganakuna house. They go check as way life e dey happen for inside Atanganakuna house. After wey Padiman e run enter Sosongo e go for Canada wey they talk say make e no waka. So for inside mutation you go read other tori them. Yes, strong number dey palava that people the way they left them free for that side so for Meme division. Mutation e get that tori and other small one them. Make una no shake. Mutation get am. Last story for this morning time or afternoon we talk chapter for Le Jour newspaper. Waiting there for inside Le Jour newspaper. Strong number for day. Palava people there they thief government money. How these people there they manage disappear when government no judge them? How these people they manage disappear enter for Sosongo when government e no touch them? Now the question that when Mutation he ask and then he get answer inside his skin. Le Jour newspaper he get answer for inside his skin. So for Le Jour newspaper they tell we say thing wey happen for that Tory man wey they knack am for that side so for Edgar Lemebengoe house. They say they don't write complaint on top am and they go level am for court. So that case e go last go for court. Elekam too e get tori for Le Jour newspaper. So country na the one then that way we see am for this afternoon. Make una sabi say tori dey continue for this side 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa e country talk, 8 o'clock for Emmanuel Macron e country talk. Ambassador go turn back for 8 o'clock for some time. You dey for on top table. Chop fine. Bon appetit. Una hold am tight.